Welcome all, thank you for watching this video. Today you are going to learn high order functions in Python. Or what are high order functions? High order functions are functions that take one or more functions as argument and return a function as result. They enable functional programming in Python. Example of high order functions: passing a function as an argument. Suppose def apply underscore function is a function and it takes two parameter. One is function fnc in this case, comma value. After colon return fnc value. That means it returns another function. Returning a function, def multiplier is a function and it has a parameter factor. Def multiply value. Inside this function, return factor star into value and return multiply. In this case, multiplier is the function which store factor value, that is we going to value on which we going to calculate factor. Then def is a multiply. Def multiply is a function for calculating multiplication. Value is the value we transfer from outside. Return factor into value to calculate multiply, and ultimately return multiply, which is the factor of a variable. Built-in high order functions. There are some built-in high order functions like map, filter, reduce and sorted. Map function applies a function to all items in an iterable. Filter function is used to filter items in an iterable based on a condition. Reduce function used to perform cumulative operation on a sequence. Sorted function is used to access a key function to customize sorting. Let's start with some example. Example for map. This is an example of map. In this example, applies a function to every item in an iterable, that is list. There is a variable or list under third bracket, numbers equals to under third bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is a list. We going to calculate square. So variable name is square. Square equals to map. Map is a function under first bracket lambda. Lambda is a lambda function. X colon x asterisk or into 2. That means we going to calculate square of numbers, that is on each element. We are going to calculate square of each element of the list. We can print this list of square using list squares. Output will be 1, 4, 9, 16, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. We can create, we can write this program in any IDE like Jupyter, IDLE or VS Code or any online Python compiler to execute this. Whenever we execute this code, then we get output 1, that is 1 square, 4, that is 2 square, 3, that is 9, that is 3 square and 16, that is 4 square. This is example for filter. We are going to filter items in an iterable based on a condition. Condition is we are going to check whether the value of the element or value or element of the list is even or not. Number is the list. Element of the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as it is list, we code it it is enclosed with third bracket, that is straight bracket, which is even number. That is we have number is the list, and we filter it, and after filter we only store even number underscore under even underscore numbers. Filter is a function lambda x colon x %2 equals to 0. That is, we divide the x, that is each element of the list. If the element is divided by 2, that means it is a even number, and we return the number, and number is stored in even underscore numbers. Next, we print the list even underscore number using list function, and then whenever we write this code in any compiler, Python compiler, maybe IDE, that is like IDLE, Jupyter or VS Code, we get output 2, 4. You can also use any online compiler also. Next example is reduce. Reduce is used to perform a cumulative operations on a sequence, requires importing from function tools. We need from function tool we import reduce. Numbers, here it is it is of list, and element of the list is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum underscore of underscore number is the sum of the numbers. That is, we going to calculate sum of element of the list 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum underscore of underscore number is equal to reduce under first bracket lambda x and y. X and y is the element of x and y. X and y is the element of list colon x plus y. That is, we going to add first element and second element, and likewise we add all the element in the list. Number is the we provide the list here. Print sum underscore of underscore number is the value, that is it is 10 in this case. Whenever we compile IDE like IDLE, Jupyter, VS Code or any online Python compiler, then we get the output 10. Next example is sorted function. Using sorted function, we going to sort. We going to accept a key function to customize sorting. In a list, there is a what is the list, name of the list, and in the items of the list is apples, banana, cherry, that is text. Sorted underscore what is the variable to store the output value after sort. Sorted is a function to sort the text. What is the here where under sorted function parameter we provide sorted and a lambda function. Sorted what is here first parameter, that is list, comma key equals to lambda x colon length x. That is, we calculate length of the text, and after that we sort the word or text. After sorting ascending order, we store it inside sorted underscore word, and we at last we print sorted underscore word, and we get output apple, cherry and banana. That is, it is in ascending order, that is A to Z format, as it is a text. There are some benefits of high order function like reusability, conciseness and function programming. Reusability means you can create generic reusable component using high order functions. Conciseness means you use less you can use less boilerplate code compared to traditional loops or repeated logic. That means you need to write small code instead of writing every details of the code using loops and repetitive logic. Functional programming allows for an expensive declarative coding style. So that is for today. High order functions. Thank you.